This is the Zuli stainless steel garlic press. This is a premium quality garlic press, and it comes with a little silicone roller, and you put your garlic clove in there, roll it back and forth, and it peels it all in one easy step. And then you're able to just use that, that up, put it in the garlic press, and press those real comfortable silicone handles together, and out pops your garlic. What makes this really different from other garlic presses is that it has not only very, very durable, but it also has real nice long teeth on it so that it really pushes the garlic all the way through. And because of that, this also has other uses that you probably never thought about a garlic press ever having. For instance, you can, if you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use the tool like to crush things like peppercorns, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. You can also use it to crush ginger root, to crush onion pieces. And you can't do that with most other garlic presses. So go ahead, pick one of these up, give it a try. Let me know what you use it for other than for garlic.